morning, guys. We are on our way to go meet Rasta B. About a 40-mile drive over there. There's the truck. Had to take the tank off. That's the one that got busted. Anyway, we are headed that way. I'm getting in my little rig. I'll drive it over there. Y'all see that? That's Rasta B's window.
Yeah, I should be videoing, but I'm a little behind today.
I guess y'all know who that is right there. Give him a thumbs up, Rasta B.
Check it out.
Yeah. Look at there. This is Miss Rasta B over here. She don't like the camera, I guess.
So we got you that one. We got you this one here.
Yeah. All right, now y'all can leave me alone now if you did. Hazy days. I got my own shirt.
He came and got his own, Hayes.
I had to drive to get it, but
yeah.
I got it. There's the stickers. He got it going on here, man.
Got you some decals here.
Look at that stuff. That's good stuff right there. Y'all get your stickers ready, boys. Look at there. I'm getting drunk tonight out of my own mug. All right, I've been asked several times to do a video on my boneyard. So here we go. This is old Craftsman. It runs. My mom gave me that, so it'll never go anywhere. We got I believe that's an old Craftsman. It's got a good 23 horse Tecumseh in it. It's a good mower. Laying in front of that mower, that's the mower deck to this Craftsman over here. We got the yard machine, the motor's going off of it. We got a little Husky over here. I'm waiting on a motor for it so I can put it back together for a buddy of mine. This is my golf cart. I'm gonna put it back together. It's got a little 13 horse Kawasaki in it right now, but it's fixing to get a 25 horse Yamaha or Honda. This is probably going to be my mud mower. It's an old school John Deere. Whenever I get around to doing it, got another John Deere right there. In case y'all haven't noticed, I like the John Deere stuff. Got another yard machine. I took the motor out of it. The motors that are out of these, in another video I did I showed you my engine rack. That's where all of the motors are from this. This is a parts bike I'm robbing parts off of. David Johnson, there's a better shot of that radiator. I am actually thinking about taking this motor and building me a drag mower out of it. The Cub Cadet I'm working on. I'm waiting on a carburetor for it. This one needs to go to the junkyard. That's an old Craftsman. Couple old Chinese quads that I've accumulated. Well, basically that's a yard machine, but it's it says Quality Farm and Country on it. I don't know, the motor for it's up there in the rack. This is the old yard machine. We got an old Scots there. The old Sears. I've had this thing for a while and I just had never done nothing with it. Got a couple of Murray wide body frame and body work. I do race mowers with them. A set of Boland's body work. A couple more decks. Some old boat. Some trailers. This thing, this whole lot right here was full. I got rid of about 25 mowers, so. But I get new ones every week. Y'all have a good one. Look what I got in the mail today. From Duke Tittle, Duke Small Engines. I got your address covered up there, Duke. Not my job to give out your address. If they want it, they can contact you. Let me get it out of the envelopes. I'm trying to do this one-handed, y'all. So give me just a second. Got a little note in here. It says, "Thanks for swapping stickers, Duke." Duke, you're welcome. Is that cool or what? Let me get it up on the board and I will get back with you. There you go, Duke. I put you between New Dizzy and Rasta B. That's a pretty good place to be. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for the stickers. If anybody else wants to send any stickers, my address is in the about part of my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one.